Guys, I caved in and got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Spice palette, so come with me as I create a look. Starting off, I'm prepping and priming my face using the Lancome Teint Idole foundation and concealer. Next up, I'm priming my eyes using About Face Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, now it's time to go in with the eyeshadow palette. Guys, these colors are gorgeous. It's perfect for an everyday, neutral, warm, shimmery eye look. I first start off by going in with the foundational base shade of, I think, A1. They're not really labeled, but that's what I start off with. There's a couple of good brown shades to choose from, but I decided to go in with C3. It has some glittery specks in it and looked gorgeous, and I concentrate that on the outer edges to smoke out the eye look a bit. There were quite a few shimmer shades to choose from, but I ultimately went with B2, and that shade is super gorgeous. It is so pretty, so beautiful. I totally understand what the fuss is about online with this eyeshadow palette. I feel like after applying, your eyes really do pop. Here I am going in with an angled brush and sketching out the extended wing. I find this is really helpful when I later trace over it with the liquid eyeliner. Okay, so here I am going back in with that C3 shade and applying it to the lower lash line for congruency. Okay, so here I am taking my Clinique liquid eyeliner and just drawing an extended wing. Totally optional, but I like to take my Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the color Stash and trace over the lines to make them look less harsh. Okay, kind of doing things out of order, but I was kind of in a rush to get somewhere, but I decided to go ahead and use my Too Faced Cloud Crush blush and start applying blush first. Then I went ahead and applied my Ofra highlighter, and I have to just rave about how luminescent Ofra highlighters are and pigmented, so just wanted to share that. Okay, I went off camera to apply my lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler in my Lancome Hypnose Drama waterproof mascara. It's hard for me to do it while on camera. Okay, so I couldn't really find like a highlighting shade in this eyeshadow palette, so I actually used my Ofra highlighter and used it to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, so now going in and applying my Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the color 1993, and then applying some Lancome Le Absolu Rouge lip gloss over it, and my look is essentially done. Okay, for some reason the audio cut out at this part, but this is a finished look. I think this is a really nice golden warm brown eye look for every day and even going out. It is funny because the color scheme in this eyeshadow palette really resembles the colors from my Brown Sugar Cinnamon Pop-Tart palette from Too Faced. And it's so funny because I think certain brands really nail certain colors better. Like I think Too Faced is much better with mattes versus Anastasia really nails these shimmer shades. There was a bit of fallout I noticed at the end of the day, like a lot of the glitter did transfer to the rest of my face, but I'm okay with that. I'm not really picky, or it doesn't really bother me if there's like glitter on my face, I guess. But excited to try other color combinations and the other shimmers. I don't know how some YouTubers are able to use all the colors with one look. I definitely can't do that. Also, gotta say, I am so happy I got these for a great deal. I got them for 2 for $30 on TikTok, so definitely pay attention to those TikTok deals because they are legit and you get a really good deal. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.